This is Katie Horner with Blogging Successfully, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an RSS automated campaign in MailChimp. So I've already logged into MailChimp, and this is my list right here. I'm going to create a campaign, click on Campaigns, I'm going to create a campaign, create an email, and this one is going to be automated because I want it to send automatically. I want it to share my blog updates as soon as they post to go straight to their inbox. Share blog updates. I can change the name here if I like. I might call it RSS updates. Something that makes sense to me so I know what it is. I'm going to select the list I want it to send to and click begin. Here I'm going to choose the blog and type in the feed that I want it to come from. So for example's sake, we're going to do this and then feed. Alright, when do I want it to send? Do I want it to send every day? Every day that a blog posts? Yes. If I only want it to send on certain days of the week, then I could uncheck these and have it send only on those days. And in that case, for instance, if I unchecked Tuesday, then if I wrote a post on Tuesday, it would not send until the next day that is checked, which is Wednesday. So I'm going to leave them all checked for this. I want them to send about 7 a.m. just before time people generally get to their inbox and check it. And then I'm going to click here so that it will automatically resize the images from my blog post to fit the width of the template that I use. And then I'm going to click next at the bottom of the screen. And I can choose to send this to my entire list, or if I have segmented a part of my list, I can choose that. But in this case, I want it to send to everyone. So I'll just leave it there as the entire list and click next. A segment would be like if I've had people that wanted to choose just receive a certain kind of content, for instance, marriage versus business or something. So then I could click this RSS just to go to those that wanted to receive that certain kind of content. So this is my campaign name, post from, and this would be my blog title, and this would be my date. So if I wanted to change that, I could say new post from RSS feed title. So that would be my blog. And I don't think I want to use the date, so I'll just get rid of that. Okay. Preview text. I can add something there if I'd like it to appear before each one. From name, I'm probably going to put my name, Katie at, and then the company name. And then this is the email address that I want it to be from. So again, I can customize that so that when they hit reply, it's going to go to this email address. Okay? I don't want to manage the replies. If I want to personalize the to field, I can use the merge tags. I can include the recipient's name in the message. So if I click that, I can specify the merge tags that I want to use, and it will insert it for me. I want to track the opens, yes. Track the clicks, yes, because then I'm able to tell if my readers are opening and clicking and interacting with the information that I'm sending them. All right, if I want to check, some people have their inboxes selected or set up to only receive plain text emails. Like it automatically will strip the pictures from it in order to be smaller and take up less space in their inbox. So if I want to be able to track the clicks through that, I would click this as well. All right, that's all I'm going to do for that one. And I'm going to go on to the next thing. Oh, and see, it's not, that was a space there. Isn't that nice that it reminds you if you made a mistake? Oh, and it's not doing it again now. At must not be included in the input. Okay, it doesn't like it that it looks like a name there. So Katie at comablog.com. We'll change that because that's who they're going to see it as from. There we go. All right, now in this one, I'm going to actually select a template. Okay, so if I wanted it to do specific things, if this was a follow-up email, they already have some of these templated and designed for you. I think I'm just going to choose a basic column here, and this is going to bring up the design editor. Now, the way it looks is over here, and then the actual editing is going to take place on the right. So I can click here, and I can browse my pictures and choose a picture to add in there. Let's just do this one and insert. Now this is the template for my entire RSS, so every time I send this, this would go out. Now, as I've chosen a seasonal picture here, you could change this up. Every season you could log in and edit the template and put a new header in there if you wanted to. If I want to link this so that if they click on that picture in the header, then I can do this, and I can add in the link here. comoblog.com/blog, and insert that link into that. Okay, now it's time to design my email. I'm going to click the pen button to edit this, and it opens it up over here. So you can see that if I make changes over here, then it shows on the left hand side. So that's where I would edit this. And what I actually want to do, save that and close it, I want to delete this box, this text box, and I actually want to insert here the RSS information. So this is going to be display your blog's title, description, and more, display posts from your blog. So I wanted to insert this here. I would just simply drag it over and save it. And then if I wanted to insert this here, I can drop that block there. This is the RSS merge tags. If I want to learn what those are, I can click that and open it up, and it tells me what the merge tags are. The title shows the title of my blog, the date, the RSS feed URL, the description of your blog, the item tags, the recent, the related items, related post if you wanted to put that in there, the related RSS, the date, the author, you can even add comments in here if you want the comments from the blog to be pulled in, and all of that. The content is the main thing, or content full will give them the full post. And so this is the one that I want to be sure that I have. So let me go back over here in this, and we're going to edit RSS title. I want it to show excerpts only, or I can choose full content, but really there's no reason for them to click through and read it on the blog if I choose full content. So I would choose excerpts only and save and close. Okay, now this information is my social media. If I click on that, I can edit it to send them to my own feed, which in this case would be Katie_Horner, facebook.com/blog for this one, and then the website link as well. Blog, get rid of the MailChimp there. Okay, I can add another service if I want to. I can add an email button, or I can choose from the drop down here other things that I might want to do, or I can delete that out of there. Hit save and close. All right, all of this information is going to be added in as well. Copyright, this will have the current year and my company name as I put it in when I set up my account. Our mailing address is here. That's also in the settings when you set up your account. And then all of this information, your mailing address and the way to update your preferences, this is required by law to be in every mass email that you send. They must they must know what your mailing address is, and they must be able to unsubscribe or edit their information. And so this has to be included. It's not an option to take that out. It has to be in there according to the Federal Trade Commission regulations. So keep that in there. And then I would hit next if it's all the way I want it. Now, currently sending is disabled because this account is not being used. So I would have to, of course, repurchase a plan and update. But on yours, if you have an active account, this should be okay. RSS feed here is good. The list, it shows me what list I've chosen. The subject line, new posts from my blog. The replies are going to go to this address. We've got tracking enabled. We've got HTML enabled in case they have photos turned off for their email, the plain text as well. and all of that. The monkey rewards and social cards has to do with social sharing, and if you want to be an affiliate for MailChimp, then you would want to edit those things perhaps. But what we would want to do here then is save and confirm and hit send. And there should also be a preview and test button up here. We can enter preview mode and see the preview of what this is going to look like. And you can see here, this is the title of the post, and then the snippet there, and see what it's going to look like. And then we can also actually send a test email here, where you can type in the email address that you want it to go to and hit send test, and it will send a test email, and you can look at it and then come back and edit your template accordingly. So I hope that was helpful to you. Once you're done, you can save and exit, go back to your dashboard or your campaigns, your lists, whatever you would like to do, and do that. So if you have any questions, please follow up with us at bloggingsuccessfully.com. We're happy to help.